Okay, so I had my tractor had a hole, or a couple holes actually, from running over a stone rake here the other day. The kids left one up in the orchard and I ran over, didn't see it. And so I had it sitting down by the garage near the air compressor, and my daughter hopped on this thing and didn't realize the tire was flat, and then just drove off and then stopped once she didn't have a tire anymore, or it came off. So I got to get this thing back on here. So I called my brother-in-law. He's going to come over and we're going to try to blast this thing back on here. He's got a redneck way of doing it here, so we're going to see if this works. Plop it in there. Whoa! Huh? That's something else. I can't even believe how that works.
Where'd Tristan go?
Huh?
Where'd Tristan go?
So I gotta get area quick.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you. That wasn't as scary as last time. Last time was, I thought I was gonna die.
Well, you're expecting that time.
I was. I thought I lost my arm, but it was still there when they were done.